Peace and blessings be upon you all. Welcome to a new episode of the Journey of Artificial Intelligence podcast. In today's episode, we'll be talking about a topic that keeps popping up in our daily lives, in the news, on the internet, and even in casual conversations: artificial intelligence. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? Is it just about smart programs? Can it actually think like humans? And why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Is it dangerous? Or is it an opportunity for the future? Stay with me, we'll explore all of this together. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to make machines capable of understanding, learning, and making decisions in ways that resemble human thinking. In other words, it's about teaching computers not just to follow orders, but to analyze, learn from experience, and interact intelligently. For example, when you open your phone and the camera automatically detects your face, or when you type a word and the phone completes your sentence, that's all thanks to AI. How does AI work? AI doesn't think like humans, but it learns through data. For example, if you feed it thousands of images of animals, and teach it how to tell cats from dogs, it can start recognizing them in new images it has never seen before. The more data we give it, the more accurate its decisions become. How does AI work? AI doesn't think like humans, but it learns through data. For example, if you feed it thousands of images of animals, and teach it how to tell cats from dogs, it can start recognizing them in new images it has never seen before. The more data we give it, the more accurate its decisions become. Will AI replace human jobs? This is a question that raises a lot of concern. Will AI take over human jobs? The truth is, AI can perform repetitive tasks or process large amounts of data much faster and more accurately than humans, like analyzing numbers, categorizing, and automated responses. But on the other hand, some tasks require creativity, deep understanding, emotions, and ethical decision-making, and these are things AI cannot fully do. So, AI should be seen as a tool to assist humans in improving their work. Sometimes, it might replace certain routine jobs, but it can never fully replace the human touch. What matters is that we adapt and learn how to work with this technology instead of fearing it, and use it to increase productivity and improve our quality of life. Is AI helpful or dangerous? The truth is, AI can be very helpful if used correctly, but it can also be dangerous if misused. Heavy checkmark on one hand, it can help us solve complex problems, like early disease detection or analyzing massive amounts of information quickly. Crossmark on the other hand, it could lead to job losses, manipulation of information, or even mass surveillance and control. The problem isn't with AI itself, but in how we choose to use it. I believe that AI is not an enemy of humanity, it's a tool, just like any other. If we learn to use it ethically and wisely, it will help us greatly. But we must always be cautious, and we should be involved in its development, not leave it in the hands of just a few people. We've reached the end of this episode. Thank you for listening, and I hope you've learned something valuable about this important topic. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to follow and share it with your friends. Feel free to send me your questions or suggestions for future episodes. This was the AI Odyssey. See you soon in a new episode, God willing.